Hello everyone! Mag-unboxing po tayo ng mga gift ko last sa Christmas. Ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon ng time mag-unboxing kaya dami tayo i-unbox. So, samahan niyo ako guys para i-unboxing natin ang ating mga regalo ng Pasko. And this is Leonora Baltasar Mix Vlog. Hope you enjoy it. And please don't forget to like and share. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa gagawin kong pag-unboxing ng mga regalo. Okay? Tayo na, samahan niyo ako. Let's start with this one. I got this one from my friend. See? Ooh. Look at that. A pair of sandal. One. A chocolate. Hindi na i-unbox kasi ano. And this one. From my friends. I don't want to mention their name anymore. So I think this is galing sa aking part-timer. Wow. My favorite chocolate. You know guys, this is one of my favorite chocolate. Mercy. It is really good. I love this one. Look at that. Chocolate. Ooh, another chocolate. A chocolate again. Magiging diabetic tayo dito ngayon. Chocolate again. And I got a body cream from Bath and Body. It's a nice one. Ano to? I think this is, I like this one. Isa sa mga regalo sa akin ng isa sa mga kliyente ko. Oh, look at that. It's a perfume. This is one of my favorite perfume. Alam niya yung gusto ko kaya binigyan niya ako. It's a perfume. Another box of chocolate. Another perfume. Look at that. So I have two perfume. And what else? Turan. A candle. A scent candle. A set one. Look at that. It's nice and pretty. Smells good, guys. There you go. Dami na. And I like the, of course, have to keep this one. Para pag pag mayroon tayong gagamitin. I need to keep that one. Again. Ooh, Garan. What is this? What's this? Vacuum plug set. Okay. Wow, I really need this one when I have to go to work. Look at that, it's so cute and I like the color. They're hot and cold. Nice one, thank you. Wherever you are, thank you sa regalo. May ano to, ayun. I need to keep the bag. Again, one more. It's a hand soap. It's a hand soap. And wow, a set of hand towel. Nice. Thank you. Wow. Oops. May ano to, surprise ito. And I have a big one. Joran! It's a big box. I know where this came from. This came from my cousin. At alam ko na yung laman kasi ang laki ng box. 1, 2, 3. Charan! It's a winter boots. Look at that. Oh, ang ganda. Alang ganda. Thank you, Insan. Oh, look at that. Ooh, let's try this on. Carry on. Alam mo talaga, she knows what I need. Kasi po, it's almost, ano na talaga, not almost. I really need to buy a new one kasi yung my old one is already broken, so I need. Oh, this is really cool. Let's try it on. Wow, nice. But look at that. Thank you. Now I have a winter boots. Galing. Thank you, Insan. Nice boots. And this one is from my workplace. So I got Happy Holiday from Amazon. It's Amazon gift card. But I'm not ordering at Amazon. I don't know what I'm doing to do with this one. Okay, this is from my workplace. And around it's $125 gift grocery gift card from Superstore. And I already got, it's a cute one. Ooh, it's a $50 gift card from Boston Pizza. So I have a money to spend for my dinner by myself. Ayan po, oh. So it's a gift card. Wala pa akong kasama kaya i-date ko yung sarili ko. It's a $50 or I can invite my daughter to have a dinner with me. And inside. And of course, last but not the least, this is what I'm waiting for. Galing pa to sa Pilipinas. Talagang nag-flow from Philippines para pumunta to sa Canada. This is a gift from my best friend, for my bestie, J. Punong Mix Vlog. This is tripod. Duran, thank you my bestie. Pinadala niya po sa pinsan kong umuwi ng Pilipinas. It's a tripod. I don't know how to operate this one. Assemble pa po natin kaya bubuksan lang po natin and then saka na lang natin i-assemble. Tripod. And I think this is yung sa kanyang light. Yung ano to, yung ring fill light. Ito yata yung ano niya. Dali po. Sisirain talaga natin. Unboxing na ito ba? Ayan. Sirain na natin. Sirain na. I'm excited. Ooh. Kasama siya. Ito pala yun. Ito yun po. Wow, ilaw. Look at that. So ito po yung magkakaset yata. This one. I don't know. But I will figure it out. Tatayo naman pala to eh. Lagay lang natin dito sa tabi dahil baka mabasag po yung salamin. May mga ano yan. Tapos mo yan. Be careful. Be careful, no? Dami na. Excited. And of course, mayroon pang isa from my bestie. Thank you, bestie. Look at that. It's a live broadcast equipment. Baliktad ba? Ganyan? Hindi ko alam eh. Live broadcast equipment. It's a microphone. Malapit tayo. Ilagay lang natin ito dyan. Okay. Ito guys, so, meron na akong gagamitin pang kanta. This is from my bestie. Yan, bubuksan na. Opa! Oh, daming dala. Dami niyang laman. Wire. Another wire po. Mga wirings. Ito yata yung mic mo. Here's the mic. Gold pa siya ha. Ito ba yan? Ganyan po ba yan? I think so. Ganyan ba yan? Ganyan po ba? Hello! Ano to mga to? Ang dami ng ano. Ang daming laman. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung paano gagamitin. Oh, meron pa pala siyang ano. Ito yung kanyang paa. I think this is the paa. Oof. I don't know. Ooh. Go. Meron pa dito ha. Wow. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Nice. Saan to? I don't know how to operate it. I will figure out how to assemble this one. I need to figure out how to assemble this one. Anyway, may manual naman po siya. So, i-figure out na lang po natin itong. Is this the really manual? Where's the manual? It's supposed to be inside. Wow, how can I figure this out without a manual? Wala, hindi ko na yata alam kung ano yung magkakapareha. Hulis mo. Dito po yan. Balik na po natin dahil baka po ano, magkamali pa tayo eh. Saan na yung iba? Balik po natin. There you go po. So, thank you bestie. I love it. Pinakahintay. Now I don't need to go to buy one. Then thank you. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa mga regalo. And then this is Leonora Baltasar Mix Vlog. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share. Bye everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Love